I think I'm going to go insane. I can't believe this. I got this radio about a week ago. Every day I go on Amazon and look for things to buy for either my show or for myself. And I ran across this one, and it was on sale for half price. So normally it is $18, and it was on sale for $9.98. And it's AM, FM, shortwave, and an MP3 player. So I thought, for $9.98, how can you go wrong? So I ordered it. And then, I think it was later that day or maybe the next day, somewhere I saw a text from Todderbert that said that he didn't think this radio would do medium wave 10 kilohertz increments, which is needed for the United States. Other parts of the world, they use 9. And so I thought, should I cancel it? Nah, it's only $10. I'm not going to cancel it. So I got it. It is under this name, which I cannot pronounce. And there's the model number. It's on Amazon, still on sale on Amazon. And I read the manual. What did I do with them? Oh, so here's the manual. I read the manual about setting the clock and the medium wave frequency increment. And here it says right there on G, turn off the radio by pressing the power key, hold down the MW key, and rotate the selector knob. And the screen should show number 9 and 10 switching back and forth. Okay, I assumed, sorry for the reflection, I assume this is the selector knob. This is the tuning knob. So I held down medium wave with the unit off and turned this back and forth, back and forth. Nothing changed, nothing. And I'm like, okay, maybe that's not the selector knob. Maybe it's one of these other buttons. So I tried medium wave, holding that down, and the FM button and the shortwave button, and it would not change from 9 to 10. I could not get it to change. And so I'm going insane trying to figure out how to get this to change to 10 kilohertz increments for medium wave for the US. If you got any ideas, let me know. Otherwise, it's pretty good little radio. Now it's back up to $18. But even at $18, if it wasn't for that bug, I would say it's a definite buy. But if you're interested in this being a medium wave radio in the United States, it's going to drive you nuts until we can find out how to fix the problem. Yesterday, I posted a review, a short review, and I stated my problem. And so just now, I looked to see if I got a comment. My review is gone. It's gone, deleted. I'm like, did I not post it? I'm going insane. I am going insane. Anyway, pretty good sound. Let me turn it on here. The power button here. You got shortwave, which is, I think it's shortwave 1 and 2, and then you got a medium wave FM. This is the power button, and these 3 buttons control the MP3 player. And there's a display, pretty small display. It's about the size of my thumb. It's got a blue backlight. There's a blue backlight. See, it makes it easy to read. But I'm on FM. You can see it's 801. Yeah, that's not good. 810. So it added 9 kilohertz.
And delicious.
And
receiving healthy recipes
it kind of, this is the volume. It kind of works, you know, if you got strong stations, if you're only off by a kilohertz, it works fine, but some stations, when it tunes, it jumps right over them because the increment is incorrect. Like I say, this is the tuning knob. There's the earbud jack. There's the old style USB connector for charging the cell phone battery. There's a tiny little telescopic antenna. There's a USB port for listening to music and a SD card for listening to music. Does not have a kickstand. Here's the battery right here. There's the old BL-5C cell phone battery. I think I get this back on here. There. The antenna does swivel completely. That's good. Put it back down. Not bad looking. It is cheap plastic, but it looks okay. I can try to tune medium wave. So you use this little wheel. Turn the volume back up. So it's doing okay, even though that's probably 865 instead of 864. So it's 9. See, I missed 920. Couldn't get that. That's actually 970. So it still works. Just you're going to miss a lot of stations because it's not on the right frequency. I mean, it does have surprising reception, even though it's off frequency. And I wish I could figure out how to change that. And I don't know where Todderbert got his information because I don't know if he bought one or not. He didn't do it. So far, I have not seen him do a review of it. Okay, so we can go to FM. And that works fine. I can put up the antenna. Doesn't really need it. But yeah, where's the volume?
I'm Monica Ricks in New York. The Supreme Court has overturned a...
And if you turn this real fast, it'll start scanning. Let's see if I can force it into that mode. There it goes. Nope, music, gotta get off of there. So it'll scan. Supposedly, it's storing what it found in memory. It's a little confusing how to get to it, but I've been able to get to those memories. At least I think I have. Okay, let's try it again. There it goes. Oh, music. Okay, so it works good on FM. Let's go to shortwave. Let's go to shortwave. Here we go, shortwave. And it's DSP, so you can hear it. You can tell it's muting. Now let's see if we can do a scan. Oh, come on, scan. There we go. I don't have the antenna extended. Plus, I'm in my office with all kinds of interference, and it's the middle of the day. So, and let me see. I'll look at the manual here. The manual says shortwave starts at 5.95. That's shortwave 1, shortwave 2, shortwave 3, shortwave 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, which goes up to 21.85. So you've got to jump through those several bands, although it looks like when you do the scan, it does the scanning for you through the whole set of bands. It doesn't scan the whole shortwave band. It scans basically the international broadcast bands. So it's scanning fine. Not going to find much this time of day, and with this little tiny antenna and in my office. So I don't expect much of that, but it found something. Noise. Okay, let's see if we can get it going again. Come on, go. Here we go. And I did a scan. Golly, I am so frustrated. I did a scan the other day. It was about 7:30 in the morning, which is not too bad for shortwave. And I did it in this room, which has a lot of interference, and it found about 6 stations clear. Most of them, you know, close by, but it found it. So it does work on shortwave. So I don't know. I think with only that one bug that I know of, which is the medium wave frequencies increment, I think it's still a good radio. And even at $18 now, I got it for $9.98. I think it's still a good buy. What do you think? Does anybody have any clue how I can? Because if I can get that medium wave increment to work, noise, then I think it's a terrific buy. And it even has the MP3 player. I was going to let this scan up to higher frequencies, which is about the only thing that I can get in the afternoon here in Clearwater, Florida. It's a nice looking radio. I'm not going to get anything. It's getting some noise. Oh, there's something. There's, sounds like a Spanish-speaking station. So the fact that it's getting anything this time of day in my office is awesome. There's another one. Another Spanish. Could be Miami, Florida, could be Cuba, South America. You know, something within 1,000 miles of my location. And I will do a couple more shows on this. Have it search shortwave in a better environment than this in my office, and use a clip-on antenna. You have to, on these little portable shortwave radios with these short telescopic antennas, you have to use a clip-on wire antenna at least 20 feet. Now, it doesn't have direct tuning at all. That's one drawback. But for less than $20, I wouldn't expect it to. Okay, we're going to stop. Turn the volume off. Well, let's just turn it off. Okay, so anyway, if anybody has any clue, because I'll just try. See, okay, you turn it off, and then you push and hold medium wave, which is this button right here, and then you're supposed to rotate or turn the selector knob, and I assume that's this one, but nothing happens. Now, you can set the time and date and all that stuff, and it's a similar way to do it. I think it's you push and hold FM, and you use this knob, and it works. You can set the, I think, matter of fact, you can just do a quick adjustment by holding FM down, and then see the time is flashing, and then I hit it again, minutes, hit it again, the year, again, the month, it's way up here, again, the day, day, and then you're done. So that works. And it's basically the same concept of holding one of these buttons down and turning the selector knob to get the choices started. And I've tried holding down the shortwave button, the FM button, which gives you this mode, and even holding down the power button, which takes you to the sleep timer. And I cannot get a selection for medium wave. I'll try it one more time. Medium wave, hold it down, turn the selector knob, nothing. Nothing, 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 nothing. Just not there. I am doing, maybe I got to hold, all three buttons and stand on my head and something like that. I'm going insane. Thanks for watching. Again, I'll do some more band scans with this because I think it's a pretty good buy. You can get this off of Amazon now for $18, and this is what it's under. I can't pronounce. This is the name of it. This is the model number. Here's the box. Only thing it comes with is the battery, the radio, and a short charging cable to charge that internal battery. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Oh, I got to kick the camera, of course.